Shalom, sapase, wagwan, que pasa. Welcome to my channel, Chef T. First thing we're gonna do is add water. Adding garlic powder into the mix. Make sure you add a lot. You want to smell the garlic powder inside the water while it's boiling up. If you don't smell it, that means you ain't put enough. Also, we're gonna add this, which I normally add seasoned salt, but I have no more seasoned salt, so we're gonna substitute the seasoned salt with this. Don't put too much, but you want to put enough so you can smell. When it's boiling, you can smell all the seasoning with the garlic powder along with this. Now we're going to add the pasta. This smells too good, y'all. Add the pasta. Make sure you stir it up so it don't get sticky and stuck together. And let it boil some more. The macaroni is done, as you can see. Now we're going to pour it into the pan. Here's the macaroni after I already drained it out. Now what we're going to do is put some sour cream. Yes. And pour the whole thing. And we're going to mix the sour cream everywhere. Sour cream, mixing it everywhere. Then you want to add some black pepper. Black pepper. We're gonna put enough of the black pepper so you can smell it. Okay, now we're gonna finish mixing everything up. It smells so good. You want to get everything. And I also gonna add vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Not so much, just a little bit. You want to dribble around just a little bit. Vegetable oil. You want to mix it all around. This how it gonna look so far. If you get close so you can smell it. You could also eat it like this. It tastes real good. So stay tuned when I make the sauce. We're gonna make the sauce. Now we're gonna add almond milk. You can add any milk if you want to. It's up to you. Not too much. Then we're gonna pour cheese. Going to add heavy whipping cream. Going to add sour cream. Add the whole thing. Add in the sour cream. Going to add oil, not too much. Then we'll add some black pepper. Now we're gonna stir everything together. Also, you want to make sure when you making your sauce, not to have the volume all the way up. So you don't want to burn the cheese. I'm gonna break the sour cream. I mean the cream cheese, you want to break it apart. This how it looks. Let it boil. So I'll come back when it gets a little thicker. So here is the sauce for the macaroni and cheese. It's done now, so I'm gonna turn the stove off. The sauce is done for the macaroni and cheese, and I'm gonna pour it. For all the sauce. Yeah. Now we're gonna stir it up. Hear how it sound? That's how you know your macaroni and cheese ain't gonna be dry. You hear how it sound? Listen to it. Yes. That's how you know your mac and cheese ain't gonna be dry. That's how it looks so far. Now we're gonna add some cheese to mix it in the middle. I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese. Mix it in the middle. That's a little bit to mix it in the middle. And now we're gonna top our macaroni and cheese with the cheese. I'm gonna mix it up. And ta-da! That's how it look. It's ready to go in the oven now. Yummy, yummy. Let me know if you guys try my recipe. I will leave all the ingredients that I put to make this macaroni and cheese. Let me know how it turned out. if you like it, if you added any other ingredients. But this is how I make my macaroni and cheese, and it is so good and yummy. Okay, I'll get back with y'all when the macaroni and cheese is finished baked up. This is how the macaroni and cheese looks so far. Yes, yes. Okay, look. The mac and cheese is done. Look how it look. Yummy, yummy. Yes. Can't wait to grub.